Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how can we install a popular WordPress theme named WP Astra. Okay, and we will use Elementor with this Astra plugin. Let's see, go to the plugins area, themes area. You can see there is only one theme installed in my WordPress setup. Currently it's 2022. Okay, I will click on add new. Okay, you can see here is Astra theme, or you can just search here Astra. Okay, the theme is available. Let's see details and preview. It's a very popular theme. It's lightweight, it's too much customizable, and there is also too many starter template to start with. You can easily create simple site or home page uh, within minutes basically. Okay, let's say it's SEO friendly, also it's AMP ready, Google AMP ready, and there are all the page builders is also work here, like Elementor, Beaver Builder, Visual Composer, Site Origin, etc. It's e-commerce ready, RTL and translation ready also. Okay, let's install the theme. It will take little bit time to install the theme. It's very well rated theme also, and simple basically. Okay, the theme is installed. Let's click on activate. The theme is activated. If you go to our site, you can see our site is changed. Here is the menu, here is logo. Okay, now let's say if you want to customize the theme, click on customize. Okay, so the theme related all the things is available here. It's global settings, global typography, colors, container, buttons. You can everything globally configure here. You can do the header builder. You can create set title and logo. You can choose primary menu. Okay, you can also header keep the header transparent or not transparent. You can enable or disable breadcrumb. You can choose the blog okay, basically in the blog you can see that if you when you see any archive pages or category post pages, what will be the post structure, what will be the meta for right hand side or left hand side. Okay, if the post content will show full content or excerpt, that's all. You can configure these things here. Also for the single page, then you can customize the sidebar, customize the create footer. You can see there are many footer area. You can add widgets in these sections. Okay, you can tweak performance little bit. Here are the WooCommerce configurations here for store notice, product catalog, single product, product images, cart and checkout. And there is site identity for site title, logos, and site icon for this icon. Okay, you can customize the logo. Okay, here you can see there are many areas you can choose logo, choose menu, widget area, homepage settings, and you can also put additional custom CSS here to load globally. Okay, so that's all for today's video. In the next video maybe we'll check out Astra themes other features, and maybe we'll see some starter themes for starter kit for Astra. That's all for today. I will See you in my next tutorial. Bye.